Welcome to J&J's test video of 9567. This is a 97 Lincoln Town Car. Popped in the front, 180 some thousand miles, like 182. Running, driving, random parts, transmission engages. Show you what we got. Cluster works, 182. Climate control works, AC works, radio I do believe works. Transmission goes in here. Forward. Reverse. Back into park. Check the sunroof real quick. Ooh, that air is cold. All right, there you go. Thank you very much.